Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can download your Canva design as a GIF. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new MacBook Pro. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, open your design, and when you have your design open, just to download any design, you just have to go to the top right corner where you see this download icon, and here you can choose the format that you would like your design to download in. And if you tap on the type list, on the bottom of the list you will see the GIF icon, and this way you can download your designs as a GIF format design, which is a short clip with no sound, and you can use this as these little GIF videos. Just tap on download and your design is ready. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.